Hello students, in last video we have discussed about Heron's formula and some questions related to it. Okay, today we will discuss problems related to area of quadrilaterals of exercise 12.2 from NCERT. Question is, Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper. Find the total area of paper used. राधा ने क्या किया है, कलर्ड पेपर को यूज किया है क्या करने के लिए, एरोप्लेन को ड्रॉ करने के लिए. ठीक है, और जो एरोप्लेन को ड्रॉ करने के लिए कलर्ड पेपर यूज हुआ है, हमें उसका एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. ठीक है, उसके डायमेंशंस आपको गिवन है. एरोप्लेन की शेप भी हमें गिवन है कि इस शेप में बनाया गया है. ठीक है, ये आपको गिवन है 6 सेंटीमीटर, दैट इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. सिमिलरली इट विल बी 6 सेंटीमीटर, 5 सेंटीमीटर, इट इज 1 सेंटीमीटर, 1 सेंटीमीटर, दैट इज 1.5 सेंटीमीटर, 1.5 सेंटीमीटर, दैट इज 6.5 centimeter. That side is 2 centimeter and that is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Clear? It is given in parts, that is first part, second part, third part, fourth part and that is fifth part. Okay? First of all, we find area of different parts and then we add these areas to get total area. Clear? Firstly in part 1. Part 1 is in the form of an isosceles triangle and sides of triangle are A is equal to 5 centimeter, B is also equal to 5 centimeter and C is equal to 1 centimeter. Firstly we find semi-perimeter. That is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 1. That is equal to 11 by 2 is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Clearly? Now we find area of part 1. That is equal to square root of S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. Under root S is equal to 5.5 into 5.5 minus 5. B is 5, 5.5 minus 5 and C is equal to 1, 5.5 minus 1. By simplifying it, 5.5 multiply with 0.5, multiply with 0.5, multiply with 4.5. Clear? It can be written as 5.5, 5 into 11 divided by 10. Multiply with 0.5, multiply with 0.5. Multiply with 3, multiply with 3, multiply with 5. 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45 divided by 10. One pair of 0.5 is formed and one pair of 10 is formed in denominator. Similarly, in numerator, one pair of 5 and one pair of 3 is formed. That is 3 into 5. Under root 11. That is equal to 5 3s are 15. 15 into 5, 75. For that point, there will be 1 0 in denominator. 75 by 100. Square root of 11. We can calculate value of square root of 11. That will be equal to 3.32, approximately 3.32 square centimeter. If we multiply it, that will be equal to 2.487. Clear? Approximately 2.4877 square centimeter. Clear? Now we have to calculate area of second part. we write in here area of first part is equal to 2.4877 square centimeter. Clear? Now we calculate area of part 2. In part 2, it is in the form of rectangle, and we know that area of rectangle, that is equal to length into breadth, and length is 6.5 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. That will be equal to 6.5 square centimeter. Similarly, area of part 3. पार्ट 3 का एरिया कैलकुलेट करने के लिए फर्स्टली आपको क्या गिवन है? ट्रेपीजियम. ट्रेपीजियम को हम इससे आउटसाइड ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, दैट इज द ट्रेपीजियम. दैट साइड इज 1 सेंटीमीटर, दैट इज 2 सेंटीमीटर, and these sides are equal to 1 centimeter each. Okay, if we draw a line parallel to that line, that means it will also have length equal to 1 centimeter. It is 1 centimeter, opposite sides are equal, that will be equal to 1 centimeter, and total length is 2 centimeter, so it will be 1 centimeter. Clear? We can draw perpendicular, name it as A, B, C. Okay, in equilateral triangle, as we know that all three sides of triangle ABC are of equal length, so it is an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle ABC, area is equal to square root of 3 by 4 a square. That is the formula of area of equilateral triangle, and we know that value of a is equal to 1, that is equal to square root of 3 by 4 square centimeter. And we know that we can calculate area of any triangle by using the formula 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 into base. Base is BC, and that this height is H. That is equal to area, and value of area is square root 3 by 4 square centimeter. BC is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 by 2 into 1 into H, that is equal to square root of 3 by 4. H will be square root of 3 by 4 multiply with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. That is equal to square root of 3 by 2 centimeter. Okay, and we know that area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides multiply with height. Area of part 3, that is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides, that is equal to 1 plus 2 multiply with height. Height is equal to square root of 3 divided by 2. That will be 2 plus 1 3, 3 root 3 divided by 4 square centimeter. We can put value of root 3, that is equal to 1.73 divided by 4, that is equal to 519 divided by 400 square centimeter, that is equal to 1.2975 square centimeter. Here, that will be the area of third part. Okay, we can write area of second part here, that is equal to 6.5 square centimeter. Area of third part is 1.2975 square centimeter. Clear? Now we calculate area of part 4 and 5. Area of part 4. And we know that fourth part is a right angle triangle. Okay, it is a right angle triangle and base is equal to 1.5 and height is equal to 6 centimeter. That is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Here base is equal to 1.5 and height is equal to 6 centimeter. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. 1.5 multiplied with 3, that is equal to 4.5 square centimeter. Similarly, area of part 5. As we know that both are right angle triangle with same base and same height. So their area will be equal, that is equal to 4.5 square centimeter. Now total area of colored paper used to make aeroplane. Total area is equal to area of part 1. Area of part 1 is 2.4877 plus area of part 2, that is equal to 6.5 plus area of part 3, that is equal to 1.2975 plus area of part 4, that is equal to 4.5 and area of part 5, that is equal to 4.5. 4.5 plus 4.5, that will be equal to 9. 9 plus 6.5, that is equal to 15.5 plus. Now we add 2.4877 plus 1.2975, that will be 7 plus 5 12, 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 15, 8 plus 9 17 plus 1 18, 4 plus 2 6 plus carry 1 7, 3.7852, that will be equal to 19.2852 square centimeter. That will be the area of colored paper used to make that aeroplane. Clear? Next question. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and same area. एक पैरेललोग्राम है और एक ट्रायंगल है, ठीक है, दोनों का बेस आपके पास सेम है और एरिया भी दोनों का सेम है. इफ साइड्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल आर 26 सेंटीमीटर, 28 सेंटीमीटर एंड 30 सेंटीमीटर. आपको ट्रायंगल की साइड्स गिवन है, ठीक है. साइड्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल ए इज इक्वल टू 26 सेंटीमीटर, बी इज इक्वल टू 28 सेंटीमीटर and C is equal to 30 centimeter. Clear? And the parallelogram stands on the base. आपको parallelogram का base given, base of parallelogram, that is equal to 28 centimeter. We have to find out the height of parallelogram. First of all, we have to calculate area of triangle. Semi parameter, that is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, that is equal to A is 26 centimeter plus B is equal to 28 and C is 30 divided by 2. 26 plus 28 plus 30, 84 by 2, that is equal to 42 centimeter. Now area of triangle will be by using Heron's formula, that is equal to square root of s. S is 42, s minus a is equal to 20, 6 centimeter and B is equal to 28 centimeter. C is equal to 30 centimeter. By simplifying it, 42 multiply with 42 minus 26, that is equal to 12 minus 6, 6, 3 minus 2, 1, 16. Multiply with 42 minus 28, that is equal to 14. Multiply with 42 minus 30, that is equal to 12. These can be factorized as 42 can be written as 2 multiply with 3 multiply with 7. 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. Multiply with 16 can be written as 4 multiply with 4. 14 can be written as 2 into 7. 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Here one pair of 2, one pair of 4, one pair of 7, again one pair of 2 and one pair of 3 is 4. That is equal to 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 3 multiply with 4 multiply with 7. That is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48, 48 into 7. 336 square centimeter. Clear? And we know that area of parallelogram is equal to area of triangle. क्वेश्चन में आपको गिवन है कि ट्रायंगल और पैरेललोग्राम का जो एरिया है वो इक्वल है, दैट इज इक्वल टू 336 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. फॉर्मूला फॉर एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम, दैट इज इक्वल टू बेस मल्टीप्लाई विद हाइट, दैट इज इक्वल टू 336. बेस इज गिवन, दैट इज इक्वल टू 28 मल्टीप्लाई विद हाइट, दैट इज इक्वल टू 336. H will be 336 divided by 28. 2 14 2s are 28. 168 divided by 14, that is equal to 12 centimeter. That means height of parallelogram is equal to 12 centimeter. First of all, we have to calculate area of triangle. Then we compare area of parallelogram and area of triangle. That gives us height of parallelogram, that is equal to 12 centimeter. Next question. A rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. एक rhombus shaped field आपको given है, उसके अंदर green grass है 18 cows के लिए graze करने के लिए. If each side of rhombus is 30 meter, आपको rhombus की side given है 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter. How much area of grass field will each cow be getting? को एक field given है rhombus shape के अंदर, ठीक है. इस तरीके से कोई रोम्बस फील्ड है, इसकी साइड आपको गिवन है 30 मीटर. एंड लेंथ ऑफ लॉन्गर डायगोनल इज 48 मीटर. ओके, हाउ मच एरिया ऑफ ग्रास फील्ड विल ईच काउ बी गेटिंग? हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि वन काउ जो है उसको कितना एरिया मिलेगा ग्रेज करने के लिए. ठीक है, तो फर्स्टली हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, टोटल एरिया फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. हमें पता है कि ये जो रोम्बस है ये कितने ट्रायंगल्स में डिवाइडेड हो गया, 2 ट्रायंगल्स के अंदर. दोनों ही ट्रायंगल्स में आपके पास साइड्स इक्वल है और बेस सेम है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, एरिया ऑफ फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ठीक है, दोनों का एरिया सेम होगा. एंड फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल, sides are A is equal to 30 meter, B is equal to 30 meter and C is equal to 48 meter. S will be A plus B plus C divided by 2, that is equal to 108 by 2, that is equal to 54 meter. Clear? Now area of for part 1, that is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now we can put values of S, A, B and C. That is equal to S is equal to 54 into 54 minus A. A is equal to 30. 54 minus B. B is equal to 30 and C is equal to 48. That is equal to 54 multiply with 24 multiply with 24 multiply with 6. Clear? 54 can be written as 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54. Multiply with 1 pair of 24 is formed. 6 can be written as 2 multiply with 3. 1 pair of 24, 2 pair of 3 and 1 pair of 2 is formed. Can be written as 2 multiply with 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 24. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 multiply with 24. 432 square centimeter. That will be the area of one part, and area of second part, that will be equal to 432 square centimeter. Why? Because two parts are of equal sides, okay, then their area will be same. Now total area of grass for grazing of 18 cows. टोटल एरिया जो है आपके पास वो कितने काउस के लिए है? 18 काउस के लिए. दैट इज इक्वल टू 432 प्लस 432. दैट इज इक्वल टू 864 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. नाउ एरिया ऑफ ग्रास टू ग्रेज for one cow, that will be 864 divided by 18, that is equal to 18 fours are 72, 18 eights are 144 square centimeter. That will be the area of grass for grazing of one cow. Clear? Firstly, we calculate area of rhombus filled by calculating area of first part and second part using Heron's formula. Then we find out area of grass to graze for one cow by dividing total area divided by 80. Clear? Now next question is, an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors. ठीक है, आपके पास एक अम्ब्रेला बनाया गया है. किससे बनाया गया है? 10 ट्रायंगुलर पीसेस को स्टिच करके. ठीक है, और जो 10 ट्रायंगुलर पीसेस हैं आपके पास वो 2 कलर्स के हैं. ठीक है, अगर 2 कलर्स में है आपके पास, इट मींस 1 कलर के कितने पीसेस हैं आपके पास? 5 ट्रायंगुलर पीसेस. क्लियर? Each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. आपको 1 triangular piece के लिए size given है. How much cloth of each color is required for umbrella? आपको find out करना है कि दोनों ही colors के लिए कितने क्लॉथ की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी। ठीक है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको साइड्स गिवन है, A is equal to 20 centimeter, B is equal to 50 centimeter and C is equal to 50 centimeter. Then semi parameter will be A plus B plus C divided by 2, that is equal to 120 divided by 2, that is equal to 60 centimeter. Now by using Heron's formula, area of one triangular piece that is equal to square root of S. S is 60 into S minus A. A is equal to 20. S minus B, that is equal to 50. S minus C is equal to, by simplifying it, 60 multiply with 60 minus 20, that is equal to 40. Multiply with 60 minus 50, that is 10. 60 minus 50, that is equal to 10. 6 can be written as 2 multiply with 3 multiply with 10. Similarly, 40 can be written as 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 10. Multiply with 10 multiply with 10. 2 pairs of 10 are formed, 1 pair of 2 is formed. That is equal to 10 into 10 into 2. Square root 3 2s are 6. That is equal to 200 root 6 square centimeter. That is the area of one triangular piece, and we know that there are two colors, okay, and one color have 5 triangular pieces. Then area of 5 triangular pieces, that is equal to 5 multiply with 200 root 6, that is equal to 1000 root 6 square centimeter. Then area of each color of cloth required is equal to 1000 root 6 square centimeter. We can also put the value of square root 6. Okay. Firstly, we calculate area of one triangular piece, and we know that there are total 10 triangular pieces, and 10 triangular pieces have two colors. That is of one color have 5 pieces and second color has 5 pieces. Clear? Then we multiply area of one piece by 5. That is the area of each color of cloth required to make that umbrella. Clear? Now next question. A kite is in the shape of a square. एक kite given है आपको square shape के अंदर, ठीक है? With diagonal 32 सेंटीमीटर. स्क्वायर के लिए आपको डायगोनल गिवन है 32 सेंटीमीटर. एंड एन आइसोसेल्स ट्रायंगल ऑफ बेस, एक आइसोसेल्स ट्रायंगल गिवन है आपको. इसका बेस आपको गिवन है 8 सेंटीमीटर एंड साइड्स आर 6 सेंटीमीटर. Clear? Each is to be made of 3 different shades as shown in figure. How much paper of each shade has been used in it? आपको बताना है कि हर एक शेड के लिए कितना जो पेपर है वो यूज किया गया है. ये जो आपके पास फर्स्ट है ये फर्स्ट पार्ट है, दैट इज सेकेंड पोर्शन एंड दैट इज थर्ड पोर्शन. क्लियर? We know that in a square both diagonals are of equal length and a square is also a rhombus. क्योंकि आपके पास स्क्वायर और रोम्बस में क्या कंडीशन होती है, अगर आपके पास कोई भी क्वाड्रिलेटरल है जिसकी 4 साइड्स इक्वल लेंथ की है, ठीक है, तो आपके पास वो क्या फॉर्म करेगी, एक रोम्बस को फॉर्म करेगी. और स्क्वायर के अंदर तो ये आपके पास कंडीशन फुलफिल होती है, ठीक है। आपको पता है रोम्बस का एरिया हमने कल किया था, उसका एरिया क्या था आपके पास, 7th क्वेश्चन, एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस हमने कल ही स्टडी किया था, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू d1 इंटू d2, ठीक है। अब स्क्वायर के अंदर आपके पास क्या है, d1 और d2 दोनों की ही लेंथ इक्वल है, तो हम दोनों को क्या कर सकते हैं, एक ही डायगोनल ऐड कर सकते हैं, देन एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर दैट विल बी 1/2 इंटू d1 इंटू d1, ठीक है। दोनों ही डायगोनल की लेंथ आपके पास सेम है, तो आप उसको d का स्क्वायर भी लिख सकते हो, 1/2 इंटू d स्क्वायर दैट इज इक्वल टू 32 स्क्वायर, 32 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 32, 2 1s are 2, 16 2s are 32, that is equal to 512 square centimeter. That will be the area of first and second portion, okay, that is the area of complete square, and we know that area of first portion and second portion is equal, then area of portion 1 that is equal to area of portion 2 that is equal to half of area of square, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि जो स्क्वायर के अंदर डायगोनल है वो क्या करेगा, जो डायगोनल है वो इसको 2 ट्रायंगल्स के अंदर डिवाइड करता है और दोनों ही ट्रायंगल का एरिया आपके पास क्या होता है, सेम होता है। Then area of portion 1 that is equal to area of portion 2 that is equal to half of 512, that will be equal to 256 square centimeter. Clear? That is the area of portion 1 and area of portion 2. Now we have to calculate area of portion 3, and we know that third portion is a triangle. Part 3. In third part, A is equal to 6 centimeter, B is equal to 6 centimeter, and C is equal to 8 centimeter. Then semi-parameter will be A plus B plus C divided by 2. That is equal to 20 divided by 2. That is equal to 10 centimeter. Clear? Then area of part 3 that will be square root of S. S is 10 into S minus A that is equal to 10 minus 6, S minus B that is equal to 10 minus 6, and S minus C that is equal to 10 minus 8. By simplifying it we can write 10 multiply with 10 minus 6 4, 10 minus 6 4 multiply with 10 minus 8 2. One pair of 4 is formed. Clear? That is equal to 4 square root. 10 can be written as 2 multiply with 5 multiply with 2. One pair of 2 is also formed. 4 into 2 square root of 5. That is equal to 8 square root of 5 square centimeter. We can calculate value of square root 5 and put here. That is equal to 8 into value of root 5 is approximately equal to 2.25. That is equal to 18.00. Clear? Sorry, approximate 2.24. Then that will be equal to 17.92 square centimeter. That will be the area of part 3. Clear? Next question. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles. एक फ्लोर पर फ्लोरल डिजाइन बनाया गया है 16 टाइल्स को यूज करके, ठीक है, विच आर ट्राइंगुलर. जो 16 टाइल्स आपके पास यूज हुई हैं उन सभी की शेप क्या है आपके पास, ट्रायंगुलर शेप है, ठीक है, और आपको ट्रायंगुलर की साइड्स की लेंथ गिवन है, दैट इज A is equal to 9 centimeter, B is equal to 28 centimeter, and C is equal to 35 centimeter. Find cost of polishing tiles at the rate of 50 पैसे पर स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. 1 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर के लिए आपको कॉस्ट गिवन है 50 पैसे, तो आपको टोटल 16 टाइल्स का निकालना है. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, 1 टाइल के लिए एरिया फाइंड आउट करेंगे. फर्स्टली सेमी पैरामीटर इज इक्वल टू A प्लस B प्लस C divided by 2, that is equal to 72 divided by 2, that is equal to 36 centimeter. Then area of one triangle, that is equal to square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, that is equal to 36 multiply with 27 multiply with 8 multiply with 1. 36 can be written as 6 into 6. 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. Multiply with 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. Then one pair of 6, one pair of 3 and one pair of 2 is formed. 2 into 3 into 6. Square root of 6, that is equal to 36 under root 6 square centimeter. Now we can put value of square root of 6. Square root of 6, that is equal to 2.45 approximately. Square centimeter. We can multiply 36 by 2.45. Clear? That will be approximately equal to 88.2. Clear? That is the area of one triangular tile. Now area of 16 tiles, that is equal to 16 multiply with 88.2 square centimeter, that is equal to 1411.2 square centimeter. Clear? That is the area of 16 tiles, and we know that cost of polishing on 1 square centimeter, that is equal to 50 paise. We can calculate 50 paise in rupees by dividing 100. 50 by 100 rupees. Then cost of polishing on 1411.2 square centimeter, that will be 1411.2 multiply with 0.50. 4 point, there will be 10 in division, and that will be 100. 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 2 ones are 2, that is equal to 705.6 rupees. That is the cost of polishing on 16 tiles. Clear? That are the questions of exercise 12.2. Now you have to solve that question and write the answer in comment box. A field is in the shape of a trapezium. In the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter, and the non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Find the area of the field. Its figure can be drawn as a field in the shape of a trapezium with parallel sides 25 meter and 10 meter, and non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. You have to calculate the area of that trapezium field. Okay, and write the answer in comment box. Okay students, if you like the video, then subscribe the channel to get notification for latest videos. Okay, thank you.